How to disable public comments in Facebook. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can disable public comments, that is to say all of those comments that include your friends and other Facebook users as well. So if you want to limit your comments and you only want your friends to comment on your post and not everyone else in the Facebook universe, then simply follow these easy steps. So the first thing that you will need to do is simply launch your Facebook application like this, and then once you are inside the home page, you will see an interface as shown here. Now then you will need to click onto these three lines present at the top right corner of your screen. So simply tap on these and then tap onto this little setting gear icon at the top right. Now this will lead you to the settings and privacy page, and instead of discovering more, simply go to the search settings bar and simply search for comment. Now once you will search, you might see this option that says who can comment on your public posts. So simply choose this option, and then from here make sure it is set to friends and not public or FOF. So once you will choose it to friends, only friends will be able to comment on your public post and not anyone else. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.